Hello, I'm here at CCW 2019 and I'm joined by Eric Steger from AudioCodes. Eric, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
I wanted to have a quick chat with you. First of all, how are you finding the show so far?
It's very interesting. A lot of our partners are here, but also very new customers, very new partners. It's quite busy. Yeah, very good.
Well, while we're talking about the partners, you're on a stand here with some of your partners in Dimension Data, and being able to offer a holistic solution from various different angles is an important thing and something that you've been partnering with other companies around with AudioCodes.
Yes, that's right. For us at AudioCodes, it's very important to have our partners, system integrators, who bring our solution to the end user, to the end customer.
What have you got on display here? I mean, obviously we got a phone bus, but AudioCodes do a lot more than that. We should specify.
Yes, we have in the more technical field, the infrastructure, we have session border controllers, gateways, applications to manage the whole solution, especially around Microsoft. Yeah, we have solutions to do automatic routing for the SIP communication, and in small enterprises, in large enterprises, in all these development. This is what we are offering, as well as we are offering voice recognition solution. Yeah, it's called AC Voca, for example. We're working very closely also with Dimension Data to bring it into the healthcare market. So this is the round picture of our products, what AudioCodes is offering.
And some of those more technical solutions, as you said, that you've been working very closely to offer those in Microsoft-centric contact centres, and obviously Microsoft, the leading platform, with companies like Anywhere 365. That must be an important development and partnership set for you.
This is very important to us, yes. We have been in this market with Microsoft from the Exchange part onwards, and now with the Skype for Business and Teams. And we see a lot of development moving from the legacy networks into the IP networks, and Microsoft and our solution have a big part for the enterprise, because that gives them the opportunity to come to the workplace from tomorrow, which is having spread out teams, having the communication spread all over the world with one solution. Very easy, you can collaborate, you can work with the people much faster and much more efficient than in the past.
And you've done an incredible amount of work, as well as those slightly more technical aspects of your portfolio, on the endpoints in terms of integration with Microsoft Teams as well.
Yes, there we have, as you know, the Teams doesn't have the classical phone still on the agenda, which is quite okay, because you have all the possibility on your mobile or on the PC or everything, but there are still areas where you still need end devices, and this is something where we have been partnering with Microsoft, that they have the client, we have the phone, and with this it works together in a very smooth way. So to have also, it's important for us to have a certified solution for the Microsoft environment, to give the assurance to the end user that his holistic solution is really working and supported by Microsoft.
Yeah, and that is incredibly important, isn't it? Because even though you said Teams is slightly shifting in the way that it's used around the world, maybe slightly more mobile-centric, there's still a huge requirement from end customers for those endpoints, for desk phones and that sort of product.
Yes, that's right. Even that you see a path that it's going away from the classical endpoint, like you have a handset or something like that. But a lot of people, especially during the migration phase, they want to
want a hybrid approach.
Yes, and they like to have the possibility still using the handset, even that they are using the client and the headset in a way that makes them really feel comfortable using that solution. And then after a while, you see the desk phone in a few years will take dust.
Well, not for a few years yet, I wouldn't have thought. Eric, just lastly, before we finish, obviously we're here at CCW 2019 and we're in Berlin, we're in Germany. One of the things that I know AudioCodes have been working really heavily on with the enterprise within Germany is we're at a phase of ISDN phase-out, aren't we? Which is slightly different to the UK. Well, that's coming, isn't it, the ISDN phase-out? And I know you've been working with enterprise to help migrate their services to IP.
Yes, that's right. We have been seeing the ISDN phase out in Germany is developing slower than we expected, But now, and also this Microsoft has a lot of efforts in it also, yeah, that we see that the carriers, yeah, they move to SIP. That means the enterprise also have to actively do something in their infrastructure. And there we also help them with demarcation devices, with small routers, gateways, and so on, to have a migration, not a hard cut, but have a migration to be ready for the SIP, for the ISDN phase-out.
Because I was going to say, it's in an enterprise organisation with a huge amount of infrastructure, it's not as simple as just flicking like that, is it? You're helping with a planning and a process over what could be a number of years or months to do.
Yeah, we are not only selling the hardware or the software, yeah, we are helping the enterprise with a whole project. Yeah, that means we talk with the customer, we get his requirements, we help with the design, we help with the rollout, always with our partners. Yeah, so we complement what the partner is not doing, because we have this partner landscape and we need a partner landscape. But if the partner doesn't or isn't able to provide everything, yeah, professional services and so on, then we can help him. Professional services in terms of installation, commissioning, and so on. Yeah, planning and design, these kind of.
It's that holistic package.
Yes, yes.
Well, Eric, thank you so much for joining me at the stand and for this video. I hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you for being here.